next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some artificial stuff to that snare. Now, I know I've got a snare bottom, which I am going to bring in at some point, but I'm just going to hold off from that for a minute. Because what I'm looking for is something that's different if I play you that snare bottom. I mean, for a start, there's loads of stuff. I could side chain it with the top. Yeah, I could side chain it with the top and clear out some of the filth from the bass drum that's going on, or I could leave it. You know, I could say that's cool and leave it in there. But I'm actually looking for a different sort of sound to accompany that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a track, which I'm going to make stereo, even though it'll probably remain mono, but just in case, I'm going to call this white noise. So hold your ears for a second, because I'm going to put over a generator plugin. This test, white noise, and off. Okay, so as you can hear, that's bloody horrible. And that's just white noise being generated by a generator there. And then I'm going to create a gate, simple gate, built into Cubase, nothing special. And I'm going to side chain this gate from the snare drum top. So same as we did with the phasing thing, I'm going to send it here. But unlike the phasing thing where I got rid of them once I've done the measurement, this is going to stay in forever, and I want it to be pre-fader, so it doesn't matter. I can turn this fader up and down, and it's still sending to this gate here. So if I solo the snare and the white noise, I've turned it down, but it's still coming through. You can see this gate acting here. And if I now turn on the white noise, and I can use the hold, the release, the attack to kind of shape a bit of sound. And then afterwards I'm going to EQ it. So I'm just going to use the SSL channel on this. Horrible. Nice sparkly top end. Rid of some of that. Let's get some compression on it. That sounds lovely. I mean, I might reduce it when it comes to the mix, but I think the sound and the EQ and the addition of that is nice. So I'm going to send that to the drums close, which will end up in all drums. So we see we're getting everything ending up in all drums in the end.